Hi, Michelle Blackburn with Remax Creative Realty. Today's stop on my 31 favorite spots in Winchester in 31 days is Champions Nutrition. Let's go check them out. Champions Nutrition is located at 1103 Pioneer Drive and is owned by mother-son duo Katrina and Montrevious Ferguson. They opened the shop in April of 2018. The shop's part of Herbalife Nation, a global nutrition company. Katrina joined Herbalife in July of 2017 by working at a store in Frankfurt, but she knew eventually she wanted to open her own store that her family could operate. She said she joined Herbalife because she was tired of corporate America and was looking for something to allow her financial freedom and more time with her family. The best part about these shakes, they are true to taste. They taste like whatever flavor you order, which there are over 100 flavors available. They have pound cake, Buckeye, wedding cake, birthday cake, Fruity Pebbles, all kinds of peanut butter flavors. It's just awesome. Fruity Pebbles really does taste like Fruity Pebbles. And of course, I love all things cake, so wedding cake and birthday cake are two of my favorites. These shakes are meal replacement shakes, and again, they have over 100 flavors. All shakes are between 200 to 250 calories, 25 grams of protein, with 20 plus nutrients and vitamins. So you can drink one of these meal replacement shakes and then eat healthy meals. It's just another way to work on, getting healthy. And that's their goal, is just trying to help the community. They also are offering cardio drumming on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. at College Park. So stop by and check out one of their delicious shakes. That's it for today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below. Join me back tomorrow to see where I'll be for my 31 favorite spots in Winchester in 31 days.